Hi everyone. I hope you're having a great spring break. It went by really fast, at least for me. I know we have a couple more days, but I'm starting to get back into the work mode. So I just wanted to touch base with you about what's coming next. So it was fun to read your posts on intersection and real world example. Thanks for sharing those links. I hope that people were checking them out and referring to them, because it's really nice. It's really nice to have a large group of people kind of looking for the same information in terms of topic, and then there's a lot to compare and contrast. So thanks for doing that. Now we're going to move into attraction and love. Why do we like who we like? Is it biological? Is it sociological? Is it both? Maybe it's both. And then how does that all manifest in terms of how we go out and engage other people we're interested in, and how does technology affect that? So I have an assignment that I want you guys to do as groups, and so I want you to pay close attention while I'm explaining this to you, because it's 25 points. You don't want to miss out on those points, and besides, I want you guys to do some interacting. So you're going to get into this module, and then you're going to click on this assignment, and this assignment is Attraction and Relationships in the Virtual World. And it's a group assignment, and so you're gonna look, and the PDF is right here, but then you're gonna have to go through a different mechanism to find your group, and so I'm gonna have to talk you through that. But the PDF is attached, and so that'll be available to you on the 26th, so you'll be able to see it. But what I want you to do is I want you to look in people. Okay, so we'll come back to the PDF. So I want you to look under people, okay, and in people you're going to find this heading that says Attraction and Love in the Virtual World. Okay, you're going to click on that, and then you're going to see which group you're in. Which group am I in? And so you're going to find yourself in there, and so you can see the first, there's 5 or 6 students in each group. That's kind of how it works. And so you can click on this group, and you can see who's in it, and you can see if you're in it or not. And then, see, this is just going to show you who's in each group. Keep looking so that you get this sort of in your brain. And one more. So can't see Tatum, but you're in there, Tatum. So this is the set of groups. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the 3 dots, and you're going to go visit group homepage. And then you're going to go to group homepage, and there's an announcement for you. Oh my goodness. Maybe it's from me. So let's look at it. Let's open it. It says it's your assignment. So that's how I want you guys to work in these groups. And so instead of posting in a large forum, you're going to post with the 6 of you, the 5 or 6 of you. So that's separate from the other post, right? So there's 2 separate posts this week. So you'll do this one within your group, and then you'll do the other one in the main kind of forums. So please email me if you have questions, but you find it through people. Okay, go through people, go to your group, click on it, visit the home page, and post through there. Okay, so one of the 6 of you in this group is going to need to start the conversation, and it doesn't matter to me who starts it, but someone needs to start it. So here you are. So here, this is just going to tell you what group you're in and all of that. So this is group 1, and then you can switch groups, group 2, and then you can look at people, and it'll give you the breakdown. And then you go to switch groups, and then you go to group 3, and you go to people, and there you are. And then you go to group 4, and you go to people. And then group 5, people. So every group has the same prompt. It's just the people that are in it are different, obviously. So maybe I'm being too repetitive, but I can't tell you how many questions I usually get on this assignment. So please ask questions, and please do the assignment. And you need to do it this way. This is how you have to turn it in. You can't turn it in as individuals. This is a group assignment. All right? All right. I'll see you in the forums. Have a good week. Have a good rest of spring break.